I'm today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to record slow motion videos on this device. So first you should launch the camera application and then just tap here to the more section. Here, as can you see, we got the slow-mo mode. Just tap there to activate the slow motion. And now just as can you see, we got here the red button just to start record slow motion video. Just tap here on this button, and now just we shoot some okay. Now as can you see, we just record the slow motion video, and here as you can see the result. So that's how it looks, that's how to record the slow motion video on Honor 8X, and thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.